We are not suffocating any freedoms in this country. The Constitution allows people to do politics, to disagree in terms of policies. There is nothing wrong with the opposition disagreeing with government on policies. There is no problem the opposition having rallies and meetings which are purely political. But we have a problem with violent riots where property is being destroyed, people are being hurt, the economy is being shut down, public transport is paralyzed. We will not allow people to hide under the guise of political rights and the freedoms of our Constitution to cause mayhem and bloodshed in our country. 2 Wednesdays ago, we tried to test whether there could be a peaceful demonstration. And for about 2 or 3 hours, we thought those who were demonstrating would be peaceful. But by the time we realized a lot of damage, a lot of bloodshed, a lot of destruction had been committed. By the time we asked the security forces to move in and disrupt those criminals, it was in the afternoon, and you could see the damage that had already been caused. And that is why last week we decided we are not going to allow the same criminals to do what they did 2 Wednesdays ago. And that's why we will remain firm. I hear they have again threatened that they will want to go out on a looting spree on Wednesday. We are ready for them. We will deploy from 1 a.m. We will make sure that no hooligan, no criminal, no looter gets his way. Let people do their politics peacefully and in a civilian manner. Let people do whatever they want peacefully. But looting, theft, robbery, crime will not be permitted. Na hapo atulegezi kamba. Kwanza ile ya last week, hizi siku 3 hili ilikuwa kidogo. This time round will be even more vicious. Wasijaribu.